Hey everybody, Canadian Computer Collector here. It is early in the afternoon and I just made an appointment to go pick up some really cool old boxed software and some operating systems. While it's not snowing right now, we're going to be heading out into treacherous conditions. Gonna have to dress up really warm because it's going to be freezing cold and probably a little bit colder than it is right now because it'll be nighttime. So let's go on a bit of a journey and get to know ourselves a little bit better. Well, okay gang, we're here in the car. We're gonna go pick up some old operating systems tonight. It is like minus 45 or 43 or something Celsius right now. And we are in my little 98 Honda Civic hatchback, best winter vehicle ever made. Avanti, as they once said in the hit movie Wild Wild West featuring Will Smith. All right, it is very dark in here, but we have arrived, ta-da, at the destination. So let's go see what this guy John has in store. Shot of John carrying some boxes there. All right, folks, what an awesome experience that was. I just picked up everything he had. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hard to tell, but we're gonna take this back to my place, unpack it. I just wanted to say John gave me a deal on all this stuff, provided that I gave him a shout out on the channel, and I have to say, John, you're gonna get a million shout outs because this is the coolest possible outcome from this trip, and it could not have been possible without a guy who said, hey, I got a soft spot for collectors, so you know what, you take this stuff, I know you're gonna preserve it, and here we are with a car full of cartons. So let's head on home and get some A&W on the way. Whoa! That's the cheese I like on my burger, mother. We're here for the family. Here for family.
Hi, welcome to Blue.
Hi there. Could I please, or what's the special today?
Salad, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Man, I'm so stupid. I brought coupons I didn't even order with them. God, I'm gonna be so rude. I'll pay with debit. Thank you. Yeah. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, they learned their lesson.
So Luke, you did a Tim Hortons fishing shack. You've done a big alien fishing shack. What's the plan?
Oh, Luke, you done a Tim Hortons fishing shack? Oh, Luke, what's next? It's Canadian radio for you. What kind of fishing shack you doing next time, Luke? Hey, Luke, I heard that you haven't thrown up in about 7 or 8 years. All right, I'm done. Let's get the f out of here.
Yeah, I didn't find those.
We're back. So, I'm a stupid moron with an ugly face and a big butt, and my butt smells, and I like to sniff my own butt. But more than that, there's nothing I like more than boxed software. Especially really clean boxed software. Look at some of the gems that we got today. Microsoft Access 1.0 in extraordinarily clean condition. We got Borland, Al Borland, Tool Time, Quattro Pro. I said that really weird, really Canadian. Quattro Pro. Put him spine out. We got Lotus 123 2.2. A little flap sticking out. You stick your little flap out. We have ProComm Plus for Windows. This is version 2.0. And what else is there? Well, there's 7 boxes total, so this is 1 of 7. Okay, so box number 2, and before I get into box number 2, I think I should take just a second here to say thank you once again to John, the gentleman who sold me all of these items for an absolutely wicked deal. Thank you, John, once again. I couldn't be more impressed with the condition in which you kept all this vintage software. We're going to preserve it and take care of it. Up next, we have IBM's OS 2 in what can only be really described as like perfect condition. It's unreal how clean this is, but you know what John said when I went to go pick this up is he stored everything in boxes inside boxes, which is definitely the way to do it. But look at this. Look at this. You make it rain IBM discs. These are just absolutely beautiful and kept in such pristine shape. I'm busted. Jerry, I'm busted. As George Costanza said many times. Look at this. We even have the brochure. Facts and features. With OS 2 2.1, you can operate at a higher level. If you've been working in DOS or Windows, IBM Operating System 2, OS 2 version 2.1 is going to be an elevation. What you need to run OS 2 version 2.1. A personal computer with an i386SX or compatible processor or higher. At least 4 megabytes of system memory with 6 or more megabytes recommended. Now, if you like OS 2, you're gonna really love OS 2. Now this one, the Windows Upgrade Special Offer. Let's see what that entails. Oh, no way! It's a decal sheet. That's actually a pretty good looking sticker. I really like that. Let's keep those clean and tuck them back inside here. I just want to be gentle. We good. So that's OS 2 as well. All right, now this is a program that supposedly runs on OS 2, according to the gentleman John, who I purchased this from. Spans map. Oh, it's a database, it looks like. Installing the tutorial database, spreadsheets, creating a map, beginning a map session, annotations and output. Very exciting stuff, folks.
On to the next.
OS 2 1.3. Oh, that's right. So this is OS 2 without a box, version 1.3. Okay, so we have version 2.0, 2.1, 1.3. And a dip dippy dip. Let's grab the next box, shall we? Okay. Coming up next, Microsoft Publisher. Which one is this? Version 1.0. Wow. First impressions are everything. Microsoft Publisher gives you the page layout, text, and graphics tools to create your own first-class publications. Okay. Anyway. WordPerfect, version 6.0. Another beautifully mint piece of software. The back of the box on this one is fantastic. Generic CAD 6.0. Very cool. The best-selling low-cost 2D CAD software in the world. Well, sign me up, ladies and gents. I'm down for low-cost CAD, and it's even... Ooh, Mother of God. Okay. We're putting it back. Microsoft Windows 3.1. Not for retail sale except with a computer system. This is really cool. Well, the sticker that's on the front is upside down. This is likely something that came with the machine. And I'm sure there's plenty of these out there, but again, another beautiful example. Mint everything. You know, my grubby hands on these things now is probably the most action they've seen in a while. Everyone's favorite, the Microsoft Windows 95 upgrade for users of Windows. So to get the computer you've always wanted, click here, it says. With the Microsoft Windows 95 operating system, you can unlock the potential of your computer. So you can work even easier and faster, explore exciting new possibilities, and even make it all fun. I feel like the use of "so" is wrong there. And we're on to the next box. That's box 3. Okay, MS-DOS. Oh, this breaks my heart. Because he said he'd thrown a lot of stuff out. I wonder if he threw out MS-DOS originally, because this book is absolutely mint, and it's noted that it comes with 5 1/4 inch floppies. This is like a brand new book. Wonder if those discs are here, but just maybe not the box. Let's dig deeper. Harvard Graphics 3.0 User Manual. Typing Tutor 5. DOS. with letter invaders. Typing tutor booklet. What's new? Harvard graphics. Symbols and palettes, Harvard graphics. Setup manual, Harvard graphics. MS-DOS 5.0, bro. Yes. Yes. Oh, Lord. Yes, okay, that is sick. Because now I have a legit means of installing MS-DOS on some of my older machines. Harvard graphics 3. The discs. Another X-Tree disc, number 1. Alright, back in a moment. Okay, so what we are looking at here concludes the software portion of the video. So I'm just gonna bump it all down the line. Okay, we're now on to the hardware portion of this episode of Canadian Computer Collector. So, luckily, John is a genius. Well, he labeled his parts. We have a 3COM Etherlink 3 network card. Okay, so I was kind of excited about this card while I was at John's place. So it has 4 USB ports and 2 FireWire ports. FireWire solely card, another FireWire card. This one has 2 ports instead of 3. A Sound Blaster X-Fi audio card from 2006. So this is a relatively modern audio card. Gotta love that gold I/O. What do we have here? PC ArcNet 15A adapter network card. Okay, a 1992 ATI graphics card 1 meg. What do we have here? I like ATI, I like 1 meg graphics. Okay, this looks like a far more modern graphics card. We have a Sapphire HD 7950 from 2012. Yeah, this is a 3 gigabyte video card. So this is, yeah, fairly modern. Here we have from 2009 an HD 4890, another Sapphire video card. This one has a beautiful heatsink. I love the freakiness of this design. This is a 1 gigabyte GDDR5 video card. What have we here? This is a 6800 G5 from 2006. What kind of memory is this? Probably like a 512. 256. Okay. Yeah. PCIe with VGA and HDMI, or VGA and DVI on the back. And this Mobo is a 2007 NVIDIA NFSR-CE 570 Pentium D830 3 gigahertz. And it looks like there's some RAM on here. What is this? What is this? 1 gigabyte DDR2. Okay. Yeah. So 2 gigs of RAM. Okay, so I think that concludes the hardware portion of the evening. And we're on to peripherals and accessories, if I'm not mistaken. Let's find out. Okay, so I was like half right, half wrong about what's left here. So we've got some hardware remaining, but definitely some peripherals as well. So what computer parts pile wouldn't be complete without extra CD drives? So we've got a 52 times LG, got a 32 times MTRP. This is a HP DVD 740, so this is, it also is a rewritable. I'm assuming that's fairly modern. And a DVD-ROM made in China. Doesn't say what company it is. Are you? Russia, bro! A multi-card reader USB 2.0. This is actually pretty sweet. So this looks like it would mount maybe where you would have previously had a 3.5-inch floppy drive, because it's about that size. But it reads SD, mini SD, MMC, RS, MMC, USB, CF, 1, 2, MD, SMC. I mean, this is That's a pretty versatile piece of equipment there, you ask me. Oh, and what about this thing? A Dazzle. This looks like an SD card reader. The Dazzle! This I thought was super cool until he said take everything. This is one of the items I was definitely going to buy. This is a Logitech mouse, which I think is absolutely brilliant. I mean, how retro is that? And considering Logitech is still a very popular company now, I just thought it was an amazing thing to look at. We have a pretty fancy 3-button mouse here. A Logitech Mouseman Sensa. This is ancient and likely was pretty novel back in the day. There we are. Okay, next box. Last box has a couple nifty items in it. A very plain, very generic keyboard. This is really cool. It's a Mind keyboard with the old style connection that you see similar to the one on the Vendex Head Start machine that I have. This is a Gravis joystick, very cool. A Microsoft ball mouse. Here we have the AccuFeel with rounded corners. Now with 25% softer corners. Sometimes I make myself laugh, and then a man busts in the room with a gun and he shoots me. This is a BTC Professional Keyboard Series. It feels like it has a metal bottom, which it definitely does. But it looks pretty generic otherwise. Pretty standard QWERTY keyboard layout. Oh, and another ancient connector. So this is an old motherfucker. Okay. Power cord. And what power cord would be complete without 2 pieces of plastic and a power supply, which could be from anything. Ladies and gents, that was my Monday night. So, yeah, that's gonna be a big old mess to clean up now. Anyway, thank you so much everyone for checking out this video today. I am the Canadian Computer Collector. I would like to encourage everyone out there to check out the links in the description below. We have links to the Patreon. For $1 a month, you can get your name included in the credits and support all of the wonderful work that I do, and just the fact that I'm a general weirdo. Additionally, if you wanted to donate without using a Patreon account, Buy Me a Coffee's down there. There's links to our social media. Anyway, I'm mostly out of wisdom. I'm tired. Have yourself a great day. New content every Saturday. We live stream every 2 weeks and produce a produced video every off week from the live stream. Next live stream will be continued insurance live stream. I've been saying so much this. Who gives a this fucking thing? Outros are stupid. Stupid. I'm stupid. Anyway. Doodle-bop.